Hey everyone, welcome to Fun Food Fashion. It's raining outside and our Bengali heart and stomach is craving and calling out for some tele bhaja with a cup of hot tea. So here comes my recipe of mocha chop, which is delicious and perfect for satisfy that craving. But first thing first, hit the subscribe button if you are new and press the bell icon so that you never miss an update of my channel. Now jump into the recipe. For making mocha chop or banana flour fritters, which is the mouthful name of this, we're going to need 3 tablespoons of mustard oil. Let it get nice and hot. So here I'm going to fry up some red chilies. Here I have taken 4 whole red chilies, and over medium flame I'm going to fry them till they are quite crunchy and change their color and get some smoky flavor. So within a minute you will get into there. You can see they have changed their color within no seconds. So take them out on a plate. And now fry up some nuts. I'm using peanuts here, handful of peanuts. You can use any other nuts, but peanut is perfect match for this. So it's done. Within 30 seconds they are done. Take them out as well. Now I'm going to add some onions. Here I have taken 1 large onion which I have finely chopped, and I'm going to fry them up over medium flame, low to medium flame, because we are not going to caramelize them. We are just going to make them translucent, transparent, that what you call it. So it's quite done. Within like 2 minutes I get into this stage. Now I'm going to add some ginger and some garlic paste, equal amount, 1.5 tablespoon of ginger paste. Next goes 1.5 tablespoon of garlic paste, and fry them for 30 seconds or so over medium flame so that rawness of both of them goes away. While they are frying, here I'm going to crush those red chilies which I fried. Using my hand I'm going to crush them so that they become very small bite-sized pieces. We are going to use it, and this will give some smoky flavor as well as the same texture we get in the store-bought one. Done. Meanwhile our onion is also done. That's it. Now it's time to add some green chilies. I have used 4 or 5 green chilies which I have finely chopped. I'm going to make it very spicy because I like my mocha chop or tele bhaja very spicy. Now I'm adding banana flour. Here I have taken 1 medium sized banana flour. I have cleaned them, cut them finely and boiled them. If you want to know how to cut, clean and boil mocha, you can check out my recipe of Niramesh mocha ghonto and you will get the entire process. I'll give the link in here somewhere. Now mix it, and the entire process should be done over medium flame. Now they are going to release up some water. For that I'm going to add some salt. This salt is for both purpose, wetting the veggies and also for taste, and I am using generous amount of salt because later I'm going to use some potatoes. So for both mocha and potato I've used the salt, so use the salt wisely. So they have started to release water, and I have added half a teaspoon of turmeric. Mix it. Next, some more spices. 1 teaspoon of cumin powder or jeera powder and half a teaspoon of red chili powder. You can balance the heat according to your taste. You can decrease the amount of green chilies and red chilies. Next I'm going to add the fried red chilies. Already it's smelling awesome, but for more aroma I have prepared a spice mix using cumin, coriander, methi or fenugreek, mori or fennel, cardamom and bay leaf. dry roasted them and ground them into powder. So I'm using 1 tablespoon of that spice mix, and it changed the aroma instantly. And now add the fried peanuts. Next, I'm going to use some sugar. This will balance everything and enhance the taste. Just like we add just a little bit of salt in sweets, exactly in the same way in savory dishes, add just a little bit of sugar, it will enhance the taste. Next, I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of Shahi Garam Masala. It's optional, you can use it or you can skip it. Next, last ingredient is medium-sized potatoes. So I have taken 2 medium-sized potatoes which I have boiled and mashed, and I'm going to add it and mix it thoroughly with the mocha. And within 15 minutes, no, actually not 15 minutes, like 10 to 12 minutes, the stuffing is done. I'm going to let it cool down so that I can handle it. Meanwhile, next step. So here we're going to prepare the batter. For that, here I have taken 150 grams of besan or gram flour. To that I'm adding half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of sugar, and half a teaspoon of baking soda, and mix it. Next, I'm going to add water. This is as required. We are going to make a thick batter, so see the consistency and you will get to know what amount of water you are going to need. So add the water little by little, don't add all the water together, then it will be runny. So add little by little and mix it so there is no lumps. So vigorously mix it or whisk it and you will get this stage. So this is the perfect consistency. So batter should be this much thick. So it's done. Next step, we are going to take small portions of the stuffing, the mochar chop, and I'm going to make 2 types of shape. One is round, like bonda or bora type of shape. Another one is the flattened one, the normal one that we get in the store, or tele bhajar dokane to be precise. Next, I'm going to show you how to make the flattened one. Just take the same amount of the portion and between your palm just press it like this and give it a flat shape. I'm going to make it just a little bit of thicker because I like very thick amount of stuffing inside my chopped, but you can lessen the amount and make it more thinner. It's up to you. So all of them are done. Now time to fry them. For frying, here I have taken some mustard oil. I have heated it up. Now coat the mochar chop with the batter by dipping it, and then dip it into the medium hot oil, not too hot, because if the oil is very hot then it will take the color outside, but inside it will be raw. So I'm taking 4 in one batch, and using my spatula I am going to spread some hot oil over it, and over medium to low flame I'm going to fry them so that the batter is cooked through thoroughly. So turn them up after a few seconds, 30 seconds or so, then let them fry till they are golden brown like this. So our mocha chop is ready. So I'm going to take them out on a paper towel so that all the excess oil goes away, to remove the excess oil. And trust me, these are so delicious that your friends and family is going to love it. This is going to rock your party and the evening. So enjoy your hot mocha chop with a cup of hot, good quality of tea, and serve it with some ketchup and a bowl of puffed rice and 2 green chilies. That's it, perfect. Now if you like the recipe, don't forget to like the video, share and comment. This is very, very important. Comment in the comment section below so that I get to know whether you like it or not. And thank you.